Hi, I'm Fahey, a registered patent attorney and trademark attorney with the Plus IP firm, and this is going to be a brief video on the importance of conducting a trademark clearance search before an application to register a brand is filed with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. So first off, I'm going to use the words or the term USPTO throughout this video. The term or acronym USPTO is an acronym for the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Now, after an application is filed with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, an examining attorney will examine it to determine whether or not it meets the requirements based upon trademark laws in the United States to be able to be registered with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. One of the things that the examining attorney will actually look at is whether or not the mark in the application that was filed is or would create a likelihood of confusion with an already registered mark. If it does create a likelihood of confusion with an already registered mark, the examining attorney will reject it. Now, things that the examining attorney would consider are different words that are pronounced the same but are spelled differently. Those words actually may create a likelihood of confusion. Other things are translations of terms. For example, negro and black are the same. Black is the English version of the term negro, so the term negro may actually be confusingly similar or create a likelihood of confusion with the word black for certain marks. So these are things that an examining attorney will consider when examining an application to determine whether or not that application's mark is or would create a likelihood of confusion with a registered mark. Now, the examining attorney will use different algorithms to determine that. So when they're searching the databases, they use special algorithms to catch different words that are spelled differently, translations, and other things as well. So it's very important that you actually hire a professional to do a search to make sure that you capture all those different terms, to make sure that before you file an application, you know the risks involved. We always recommend before filing an application to conduct a search. That search and report that we provide will give you an analysis about the probability of you getting a likelihood of confusion rejection based upon the registered marks that are already registered. The report that we provide also gives you an analysis of other things as well. We also provide analysis about whether your mark is what's considered merely descriptive and other areas of the law that you may not know about if you're not a practicing trademark attorney in the United States. I highly recommend having a trademark clearance search conducted before you file an application. The last thing you want to do is move forward with developing your brand, spend money on marketing and advertising, only to find out that somebody already has a registered brand very similar to your brand. That could be a huge legal risk. And the last thing you want to do is develop a brand that you may not be able to protect. I highly recommend you have a trademark clearance search conducted.